There she goes. Hi there, Dixie Champagne here. Do you have a YouTube channel?
What?
Okay, never mind.
I'm not that interesting.
Yeah, we're taking apart the neat, precise. She wants to mount the head, and I want to tan the hide and preserve the tail, and we want venison chops. So. Yeah, well, you know.
I'm torn.
Take it to the taxidermist, girl. So we're thinking of doing the unthinkable with our cordless sawzall here in a few minutes, and cutting venison chops instead of cutting the back strap off one side and the tenderloin off the other. So we'll let you know how that goes later on.